Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 31st of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Taurus, let's go ahead and go into your Aphrodite spread, okay? When you see what sexual freakiness is happening to you, Taurus, even though you rule Venus. So if anybody is always being sexual, it is toi, c'est toi, oui, oui. Okay, let's go. Your Temple of Aphrodite spread. Ooh, fancy. Okay, let's go. What do you think, Taurus? What's your thoughts? I'm getting, you don't know what the fuck to think. I'm getting you confused right now. Or you have nothing else to think about than thoughts, okay? I'm getting you're overwhelmed right now. So you don't even know what to think about the person you're feeling, okay? What do they think? The Four of Swords. I'm getting they're meditating or they're resting. Maybe them, again, them meditate upon you. Because I'm getting, you don't know what to believe, but they kind of are looking for answers in a way. They're getting them to go to the church to look for answers. Are you going to somebody more mature? I'm getting going to like a mentor for answers. But I'm getting you more in meditation, trying to think, okay, give me the answers. Give me the answers I'm seeking. What do you feel? So we don't know what you think because you're confused, or you don't, maybe somebody giving you mixed signals. That's how you feel. What do you feel? Queen of Pentacles, getting you feel like a grown-ass woman who is in check. She has all her shit together. She has all of her ducks in a row. Very calm energy, Taurus. This is you. You are Queen of Pentacles. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But I'm getting, maybe you don't know why something isn't working. I'm getting you have a pentacle here. You're the queen, but you're wondering why is it that you're not ruling any kingdom? I'm getting you confused. Maybe you're confused. There could be something that your mother did to you. Your mom did something to you. Or I'm getting you don't know where all of this has come from. When I say this, I mean whatever it is that is mentally confusing you, it's coming from your mother. But let's see what they feel. Them don't trust you. Maybe them don't trust your mother. I'm getting something about you, you're very mature, there's something about you can't get, even though you're thinking about a lot of thoughts, you still focus on the pentacles, so you cannot be distracted easily. I don't know why is that an issue. Maybe somebody feel like you focus on work too much. What's your sexual feelings? I'm getting you're very sapiosexual, so unless somebody is giving you something that's stimulating your cerebral glands, then I'm getting all you talk about, all your business about, all you think about is business. And how can you add to your business? How can you make this pentacle get bigger? I'm getting the other person, them not trust you. I don't know if somebody never saw you sleeping before or something like that, but their sexual feelings is the Two of Wands. Maybe think somebody want to leave. Maybe somebody want to get the fuck away from you. Taurus, I don't know what this is, but I feel like someone's confused about how you're doing something, how you're getting something. Are you getting this advice, or are you getting this from somebody who is abroad? Somebody feel like a Libra help you do something. Are me getting something about this Libra you haven't seen in a very long time? Let's see where it's going though. Where is it going? It's going to the Empress. So this could also be, okay, so Queen of Pentacles can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Empress is usually Libra and Taurus. So we have two Taurus potentially could be here. Now, unless someone is in a foreign country and them leaving them wife for either relocate or to come visit you, the Empress, then that's what I'm seeing. Somebody don't know, somebody are trying to think about what them can tell them wife, or what them can tell this girl. Them need to stay somewhere for at least 4 days. Them need to know what to tell the person. How am I going to convince the person I need to go away for 4 days? 4 nights. I'm getting you're going to meet with the Empress, the actual Aphrodite of the tarot. So I'm getting, sir, I don't know if you're married. I don't know who you did there with, but all I know is the actual Aphrodite is waiting on you. So I'm getting you're going to relocate to this, you're going to visit or relocate to this country. I don't know if the Empress know the Queen of Pentacles, because both of them is earth energy, so they are familiar with each other. But me getting you is the Aphrodite. Them want to come to you. Maybe them scared you tell the Queen of Pentacles. But I'm also getting, if your girlfriend or your wife is, if she have any type of feelings about who is my boyfriend talking to, me getting should I never fucking believe is the queen of, is she I talk to. Should I never believe say she I fantasize about. Me don't know if this is a celebrity, somebody who your girlfriend probably say you would never, that's out of your league. No, your boyfriend gonna fuck on you with a girl who is out of his league. We're going to see who is out of the fucking league after this. Let us get some of these and we're done. Taurus, freakiness. We have the internet coming out first. We have the Fool card. We got marriage. So it's either you're married already or I'm getting, you'll leave your girlfriend at home and go marry this empress in a foreign country. You're not going to tell. You're lying. We don't know who you marry and lie. We don't know. Did you marry the empress or you marry your girlfriend? Because you lie to somebody. We have larceny, theft, and we got the temperance and hidden prison. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Taurus, bye.